Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Digital Classroom. And Digital Classroom is made possible by BenQ and Rogue. Today, it's all about cleaning up your mess. Or in other words, if you shoot a lot of HDRs and panoramic shots, how to find them. Hey guys, so as you look now on my display, you actually see that we shot some panoramic shots, and in all honesty, it's a mess. I don't know where to start, I don't know where to end, and this will happen a lot when you shoot, for example, HDR, panoramic modes, normal images. You empty your card and you go like, okay, so what to do? Now, of course, you can start your panoramic shot with 2 fingers in the frame and end it with 2 fingers in the frame, but in the end, there's a way easier solution. Now, when you shoot with, for example, the Mavic Pro 2, you actually see that you have several folders. So in this case, it's, well, already a little bit easier, but let's say you shoot it with a normal camera. Normally, you will end up with something like this, so a big mess. Okay, how to solve this? Very easily. Of course, you can figure out which image is what and then, for example, use stacking, but you can do something that's way easier. Go to Select All, and now use your right mouse button and go to Stacking. And now don't go to normal stack, but actually go to auto stack by capture time. And you can put it on 2 minutes or 25 or whatever. I normally have it on, let's say 2 minutes, because if you shoot a drone, there we go. And now you just do stack. There you go, that's all. And now the cool thing is, the only thing you have to do if you want to see all the images, like a normal stack, is just press on the number and there you have all your images. So this is a really easy way if you empty your card and you have a lot of different shots to actually find out which shots are 2 minutes next to each other. In most of the cases that will be HDR shots or panoramic shots. And you can always change the time to slower, of course, but for drone shots, this works like a charm. I hope you like this tip. If you like what we do, subscribe to our channel, leave comments below, and of course smash that like button because we really like that. But most of all, tell other people about our channel so we can grow. See you again next time. Bye bye.